be wary of BJP. They should be wary of NDA because NDA is BJP. It is not ADMK plus BJP. Number one. Number two. Last year in Delhi, people voted for BJP. They formed BJP government. In 1 year itself, people are fed up of BJP government. All the good work that we had done in the field of education, health, infrastructure, road, electricity, water has been undone by the BJP. So if people by mistake vote for BJP or NDA or ADMK, then all the good work that Thiru Stellinji has done in the last 5 years will all be undone in no time. So if the people want that all the good schemes and relief that and welfare activities that Thiru Stellinji is doing, then they should vote for
Sir, the Prime Minister said Tamil Nadu is a cocktail of dynastic politics, corruption and breakdown of law and order.
So he should first look at his own party and look inside the kind of there are. I can give you n examples of kind of dynastic. What is Amit Shah's son doing? Jai Shah, when they have to find a chairman of BCCI or a ICC, they look at their own sons. But when they want vote, they want the vote from your children. So they let them. What is Rajnath Singh's son doing? What are their leaders' sons and daughters doing? So they should not. They should first look at their own party inside, and then they should. And regarding corruption, I think the most corrupt party today is BJP. And there are so many examples how everything is being given away to his friends. Modi ji is giving away everything to his own friends.
The BJP keep on trying and saying MK Stalin is anti-Indian and anti-Tamil. How do you respond to this?
Let them say, people of Tamil Nadu love Stalinji. So it is the people, democracy is for the people, of the people, by the people. If people love you, then all your abuses have no meaning. So let BJP keep abusing it, has no